So I have a problem with incoming important mail. It comes in, I throw it on top of my closet. Yeah. I forget about it until I need it.
Oh, wow, you really do.
Okay. Yeah, until I need it. Like my car lease is up in 2 years or taxes. So I throw it up there, and then it's going to take me days and hours just to find that one piece of paper that I need.
Okay. So listen, this is super serious. The mail thing is a super serious thing because a lot of people do this, and the problem is it threatens you to do this. It threatens your financial health, and it can threaten the whole health of your family. You need a system. Here's what I want you to do. Today when you go home, I want you to get every single piece of mail in your house and put it in a box. Every piece in the house. We're going to deal with that box in a second, but starting today, you have a system. So starting today, your system is when the mail comes into the house each day, you open every single piece each day. If it's junk mail, you tear it up and you throw it in the recycle bin. You open every other piece and you have 3 files at home. One is bills, one is file, so stuff that you don't need to do anything about it, but you have to file it, and one is invitations, so upcoming commitments and so on. No envelopes in these, only the mail. Okay? So you have a system at home where you have every single piece of incoming mail dealt with every single day. What you then have to do is set up a system where on the 1st and the 15th of the month, you commit to going through and paying bills and checking up items here and finding stuff that you don't have to have any action on. Okay? Now.
So this is once a day and then once every other week.
That's right. So starting today, this is your system. That box of mail, it has stuff in it that you need. Put it in the living room next to the TV. Every time when you're watching TV tonight, and for the next few weeks, every time there's a commercial, grab 5 pieces out and go through those 5 pieces of mail and put them in one of those 3 folders. I guarantee within a week, 10 days, that box will be dealt with. But start the system today.